Okay, be honest. Did that sound weird?
What did you say?
I'm Ben. Nice to meet you.
That sounds fine.
But my voice did something strange at the end.
It went up?
Yeah, like a question.
You introduced yourself like you weren't sure.
Exactly. Like, I'm Ben. Maybe?
First in nerves.
My brain was smiling. My mouth was panicking.
That moment when your thoughts are calm
But your voice is shaking a little.
and suddenly you're very aware of your hands.
What are my hands doing?
Why are they here?
Why do I have two of them?
First impressions are intense. If this feels familiar,
You're definitely not alone.
I'm Jane,
I'm Ben.
and today we're talking about first impressions.
In English.
On your first day at a new job,
Meeting people.
introducing yourself.
All those small moments.
Before we continue, just relax.
Listen first.
Borrow any lines you like.
You don't need perfect English. We're using clear, natural English.
Short sentences.
Real workplace moments.
If you're a strong beginner, that's okay.
You can still follow.
Focus on how friendly English sounds.
Not every word.
By the end of this episode,
You'll know how to make a good first impression.
even if you feel nervous,
Even if your English isn't perfect.
we'll also do a calm word tour at the end.
So the key phrases stay with you. Let's imagine the first day.
You wake up early.
Earlier than usual.
You choose your clothes carefully.
Too formal, too casual.
You arrive at the office.
New building.
New faces.
New smells.
Coffee, carpet, printer.
And everyone already knows where to sit.
Except you.
So why does this feel so heavy?
Because first impressions feel permanent.
Like one moment decides everything.
Which is not true.
But it feels true.
I remember my first job abroad.
Oh yes.
I practiced my introduction all morning.
In your head?
Out loud, in the mirror.
Dedicated.
Then someone said, "Hey, how's it going?"
And the script disappeared.
Completely gone.
What did you say?
Good, and you?
Classic.
Very safe, very boring.
But also totally fine.
That's the thing.
First impressions are not about being impressive.
They're about being comfortable.
People don't remember perfect words.
They remember how you made them feel.
And today we focus on that feeling.
Let's walk through the day slowly.
Same office.
Same people.
But now you have a plan.
Tool 1. A warm, simple greeting.
First moment.
You meet someone.
You don't need anything fancy.
Simple is powerful.
Try something like, "Hi, I'm Ben. Nice to meet you."
Or, "Hey, I'm Jane. Nice to meet you."
That's enough.
No long story.
No job title yet.
Just human.
Mini office moment.
You walk into the team area.
Someone looks up.
"Hi, I'm Jane. Nice to meet you."
They smile.
Moment complete.
Tool 2. Say one small thing.
After your name,
Add one small detail.
not your life story.
Just one thing. For example,
"I'm new here. Today is my first day."
that helps.
People understand your nerves.
They become kinder.
Jane's story. On my first day, I didn't say I was new.
Why not?
I wanted to sound confident.
And?
Everyone thought I already knew things.
Oh no.
They spoke fast, used inside jokes.
Lesson learned.
Now I always say, "Hi, I'm new here."
Tool 3. Use friendly small talk.
Small talk is not useless.
It's social glue.
It helps people relax.
On your first day, try safe topics.
Like,
How long have you been here?
or,
Is it always this busy?
those questions are easy.
And people love to answer them.
Office moment.
You're waiting for coffee.
Someone stands next to you.
You say, "Is the coffee always this strong?"
They laugh.
Connection made.
Tool 4. Listen more than you speak.
This one takes pressure off.
You don't need to talk a lot.
Listening feels confident.
Nodding helps.
Short reactions help.
Yeah, right.
That makes sense.
People feel heard.
And you feel calmer.
Tool 5. End conversations warmly.
Endings matter too.
Very much.
You can say, "Nice talking with you."
Or, "See you around."
Simple, friendly. No awkward exit.
Let's walk through the full day.
Okay.
You arrive.
You meet your manager.
"Hi, I'm Jane. Nice to meet you."
They reply.
You add, "Today's my first day."
They smile.
You meet the team.
You say your name again.
You ask, "How long have you been working here?"
They talk.
You listen.
You nod.
Later, at lunch,
You sit next to someone.
you say, "Is this seat taken?"
They say no.
You sit.
You're doing it.
A good first impression isn't loud.
It's steady.
It's kind.
It's human. Let's try a few together. Just copy the calm feeling. Hi, I'm Ben. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Jane. Nice to meet you.
Today's my first day.
I'm new here.
How long have you been here?
Is it always this busy?
Nice talking with you.
See you around.
Let's review a few useful words, slowly.
First impression, the feeling people get at the beginning. Example, she made a good first impression.
Nervous, a little scared or excited. Example, I felt nervous on my first day.
Introduce, to tell people who you are. Example, let me introduce myself.
Small talk, light, friendly conversation. Example, we made small talk at lunch.
New, not familiar yet. Example, I'm new here.
Friendly, kind, and open. Example, she has a friendly smile.
Relaxed, calm, and comfortable. Example, I felt more relaxed later.
Confident, feeling sure of yourself. Example, confidence grows with time.
This week, try one thing.
Introduce yourself simply.
Name plus one small sentence.
If you want, write one sentence in the comments.
On my first day, I can say,
You don't need to impress.
you just need to be present.
Confidence grows quietly.
One moment at a time.
I'm Ben.
I'm Jane.
Thanks for listening.
See you next episode.